Okay guys, we got a 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life. So first we're going to put the brake on and start the vehicle. From there, using this directional keypad, we're going to go scroll over to info, scroll down, and you can reset the air filter life, the cabin air filter life, the brake pad life, or the oil life. So reset these, just press enter, scroll over and enter, and it resets it. So if you want to do the air filter life as well, you can press enter and then reset it. But I didn't do the air filter life. I didn't do the cabin air filter, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But yeah, that's how you do it. It's very easy, very simple. And again, this is a 2021 GMC Sierra 1500, but it'll work with a lot of similar vehicles. Thanks for watching.